Biar ibu beberapa ya produk le. Boni ani hai bukung barade. Bosini bangsa kita sentuh tribal. Di prahas kesinta bukung bara. Sini identification jadi sinjamani identify kejamani. Bota bukung bara sih. Bota bukung kalau wanjui hai sih. Baik ni bono boga gerahongka. Boni bosusi Maharata Bikram. Beri Bikram kisah manik Bahadur bosi raja. Kirit Bikram babu raja singa masuk ya. Produk masuk ya. Kenapa baiknya bono boga gerahongka. Bon tete debro mande na jomate da na riang de. Musubu selirap. Sade. Bon tete jomate da debro mande riang de tipra de na kai pende koloi de mol sonde sade. Ha sale. Bro mani ko participate. Bakal bola project kisu mani ko debro mang thanga ba. Mother chut. Bono use khayu ndro faide chawani de. Bodo jono right dong. Ha? Bono utilize khayu. You want to utilize Pradhan Kishore Manikya, Bahadur, to be the Brahma, and through him, utilize to get a such kind of facilities from government and lots of interest. This is you want, right? Then, now, it's a democracy. In the period of democracy, there is no any king. Dictatorship has been surrendered. Now democracy has been run in the framework of the Constitution of India. How can he say that he is our king? Yes, you love. You love to produce. That's why you call the Bhuvagra. But I'm not consider. He's not a Bhuvagra. He's a MDC. Since he has been contest Chakazla constituency, he win the election and he's appointed as a MDC. How can I consider he's a Bhuvagra? Democracy, do you know the meaning of democracy and dictatorships? Rashtantra and Ganatantra. আপনারা বুঝেননি রাজতন্ত্র ওখানে চলছে সারা 12 বছর এখানে কোনো রাজতন্ত্র নয় যেহেতু রাজতন্ত্র নয় আমি কেন মহারাজ বলবো এবং ওনার বাবাও মহারাজ যদি বলতে হয় সিংহাসনে বসেনি তো নিজের বাবাও শীর্ষে বসতে পারে না তার ছেলেকে এমনি বসতে পারবো কিভাবে রাজা হবে I don't believe it's my confusion but one thing I'd like to remind you if he's not involved in any political party if he is doing for the welfare of the Tiprasha as like NGO, then everybody will call Bhuvagra since he's a king dynasty. But he's already involved in the political parties. And the party has been recognized through governor as a political party, state political party. Then if it comes to political, then nobody will carry you. Nobody will carry you. Everybody will condemn you. Since the way how you work and activities as you dance within the Tiprasha area and general board. Since you the leaders of Suprema of the Tiprasha, then how can it be erased, TCF, the Presidency Federation, within a regional political party? Yes,